Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa Russell, and I am very much looking forward to being one of the keynote speakers for the fourth World Conference on Media and Mass Communications taking place in Bangkok this April. I'm particularly excited about the theme, Power of Media Shaping the Future. When I first started my professional career over 15 years ago, after getting my master's in public health, I had no idea at the time that my global health expertise would translate into a professional film career. I was working as a humanitarian aid worker in 1999 in Kosovo and Albania during the war. And it was there that I was witness to an extensive amount of exploitative storytelling, particularly as it related to the impact of war on women. And it was at that point I wanted to tell global stories differently. So since then, I have been directing, producing, shooting, and editing short advocacy films for UN NGO agencies on pressing global health and development topics like maternal health, obstetric fistula, the impact of war on young people, and climate change. What is exciting to me about the filmmaking craft is that it's in constant evolution. So no longer are we as media makers responsible for just telling stories or documenting people's lives or covering current affairs, but in exploring and utilizing technical advances and platforms to deliver our content in real time, to make our creative content more accessible globally, and to tailor the production and distribution of our content to specialized audiences. So it's exciting for me during my keynote to introduce my new media platform called StoryShifter. StoryShifter aims to utilize machine learning and data analytics to address a relatively well-known phenomenon in the global health storytelling arena, and that is we have no feedback mechanisms to determine whether or not our content is responsible or effective. So we have no box office numbers, we have no press reviews, and we have no ratings on sites like Rotten Tomatoes. So there is no opportunities for us to gauge whether or not our content is responsible or whether it's reaching our intended audiences. So my platform is really utilized to address the question, can big data lead us to more responsible storytelling? I look forward to having that conversation with you in Bangkok, and I will see you very soon. Thank you very much.